Okay, algebra review. This is for exponents and radicals. This is the last problem, number 30. Alright, here we have again, just like number 29, radicals in the denominator. Once again, we're not allowed to have radicals in the denominator, just like we're not allowed to have 0 in the denominator. So I need to multiply this fraction by the conjugate. And what's the conjugate again? It's basically the same thing that's there, except we just have to change that sign in the middle to its opposite. So I'm going to be multiplying it by root 10 minus root 8, top and bottom. Root 10 minus root 8. What you do to the top, you do to the bottom because it's a fraction to balance it. Okay, now we need to not multiply the top out. So what I basically have left is a negative 4, and in parentheses I have square root of 10 minus the square root of 8. On the bottom now, how do I multiply a conjugate by itself? So I'm doing root 10 times root 10, which is 10. What is root 8 times itself? That's 8. And a positive times a negative is a negative. So it's 10 minus 8. Okay, let's rewrite what we have on the top. And let's subtract the bottom, which becomes 2. Now what do we notice? That yes, we can divide this 2 into the negative 4. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have negative 2 times root 10 minus root 18. Oh, why am I saying 18? Not sure about that, guys. That should be an 8. Sorry about that. It should be an 8. So now I need to go ahead and multiply negative 2 times root 10 and negative 2 times that. So I get negative 2 root 10 minus 2 root 8. And there's my answer. You could try to simplify root 8, but you're never going to be able to add it to root 10 because root 10 is simplified as much as it could be. So that's the answer for number 30.